In a sun-drenched park, the playful chirping of birds fills the air as little Benny becomes absorbed in his games. Wow, what's that? A massive yellow JCB rests silently nearby, its presence a stark contrast to the lively scene. In the heart of the park, a JCB awakens, cartoon eyes blinking to life on its windshield. With a soft engine vroom, it smiles, ready to greet the world. Hello, little one. I'm a JCB. I dig, scoop, and help build big things, Benny exclaims in surprise. You can talk. You're like a giant toy. Benny reaches out, his small hand touching the JCB's massive wheel. The JCB's bucket arm descends with careful precision. Benny's eyes light up with excitement as he asks, "Can I ride your arm?" "It looks fun." The JCB responds with a chuckle. "Hehe, I'm super strong, but not for riding. Safety first. But I can dig something fun just for you."